police telling you your license is no good. You cannot drive.
Why won't you order an Uber and go home?
Because, are you going to order me an Uber?
No.
Okay then.
On December 11th, 2025, officers were trespassing someone from a gas station when they noticed a car sitting at the pump for over an hour.
Hello. Why are you in the back seat? You good?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yes.
Oh. Are you
okay?
Yes. Are y'all?
No, because I've had 2 calls here, and each time you've been here. So I just want to know if you're okay.
Yeah, I'm good. My car just filling.
Huh?
My car is just filling.
Yeah, it's
It
done.
just finished. So now I'm about to leave.
It's been finished since I got here, I bet. So.
You bet. How much you want to bet?
How long you been here?
We good. Thank y'all for checking on me. Thank you so much.
Where are you headed to?
My home.
Okay, where's that at? Okay, where are you coming from?
Miami.
Huh?
From Miami?
Yeah.
What are you doing in Miami? I'm from Miami. What are we doing?
It's my birthday.
Oh, so
Are you gonna tell me happy birthday or are you gonna press me?
Well, how am I supposed to figure out it's your birthday?
Well, I'm telling you, y'all pressing me like, y'all bored? If y'all bored, just say that.
No,
we just trying to make sure everybody's safe. That's what's going on.
We safe. Well, I'm safe. It's just me. My car was filling up. I wanted to get in the back seat while it was filling up. It was in baby. I have free will.
Okay.
Yeah. So now my car's filling up. If y'all could put it back in the pump.
You got a driver's license?
I do have a driver's license.
That's it.
Why? I'm not driving.
No, you're not
Well,
driving?
is your car gonna teleport home?
I'm not driving right now though. Like,
No, it's just a simple question. Can we just get your ID?
why?
Sound different. We
Why?
don't know who we talking to. We talking to somebody.
Why y'all want to identify me though?
Was there anybody else with you in the car?
There's nobody in the car.
So
Y'all
the
want to
car
look?
drove itself here?
Y'all want some water?
The car drove itself here?
The car did not drive itself here, but why do y'all want my ID?
Is this your car?
Why?
I'm
Y'all really
I'm gonna
bothering
run
me.
it
It's
either
my
way.
birthday. Y'all really trying to spoil my birthday, and I don't like that. I'm just feeling. I'm a innocent citizen, feeling my tank.
Okay,
And y'all just trying to like, what's up?
You innocent.
If you're innocent, then just answer the simple questions. Is this your car?
This
What
is
is
my
your
car.
name? Okay, then.
Then I'm just gonna get it either way. So, all right, I'll go run it.
Like, what's up? What's
And
up?
how-
Y'all bored? Like for real? Come on now. There's so
No,
much-
we've been here.
Twice.
And then what's the problem?
Your car been in the same spot.
And what's wrong with that?
We trying to see what's going on.
There's nothing going on. Now what?
We don't know that.
I'm telling you, there's nothing going on.
We don't know
I'm
Okay.
telling you though.
But why are we hanging out at the gas station?
My car is filling up, and that's it.
No, but it doesn't take.
Is
An
it
hour.
illegal? Is it illegal to sit at the pump? Let me know now, cause
that.
I do it
It's
often.
3 o'clock in the morning.
I
and
do
you
it
sitting at a
often.
gas
Let me
station.
know. Let me know. I do
We
it
just
often.
want to get you home safe.
I'm gonna get home safe. I
Okay.
promise you. Like, what you doing? What's your business? What's wrong with you? Look at him. Mind your business. I promise you, there's nothing going on over here. You probably see my water. Like, literally, there's nothing going on
All right.
over here.
So
It's literally.
you're down in Miami. Okay.
Yes.
What you do down there? Anything fun?
I just ate dinner for my birthday. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Because I thought.
Like,
'cause
all
I
in
thought-
my business.
You got the keys?
I have the keys.
Okay. Well, you're in the backseat. I don't know if the driver's
Is this
dead
not
in the
free will?
bushes. Huh?
Is this not free will to sit in my own back seat while the car is filling up the
Yeah.
tank? Like, that's it?
All right, look, listen. Armani, right?
Yes.
Armani, you can't drive.
What do you mean?
You can't drive
Why?
because your license is suspended.
Y'all are hella bored.
Hella bored. Do you think I want to be out in this cold?
What did y'all think I was finna do to like rob the gas station?
No, we
or
want to
some
make
shit?
sure you weren't dead in the back seat.
I'm alive though. Y'all can see that.
Thank
No
God.
judgment suspension, so it could be.
Did you
Could be.
change insurance?
I literally have a court date on my birthday, which is tomorrow morning.
For what?
It was for insurance, which I have now,
Okay.
and it was for a faulty car accident or some shit like that. But I have a court date tomorrow morning for both of those, and you can check.
Okay, so that's
And I'm
probably
gonna
why
be
it
on
was
Zoom.
already.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
be on Zoom literally on my birthday, and I seen it on my birthday. I'm like, wow, they set a court date on my birthday, but that's literally what it is.
Alright.
Alright. Who can come get you?
Yeah.
For what?
So look, this is what's gonna happen.
You can't drive
Can't
if you're.
drive.
If you're
I'm not gonna let you drive. You're obviously in the back seat because you were probably trying to sober up, and I just
My
woke you up.
car.
We've been here for more than an hour or so.
$10.
Listen.
$10 don't
So
take that
what's
long.
gonna happen is that you're gonna call someone so they can come pick you up.
For what?
They're gonna have to leave this car here.
you're gonna park your car in that little spot over there,
For what?
so that you can make it home safe.
I will make it home. Y'all can follow me. I will.
You
make it
can't
home.
drive. Your license is suspended.
Why is my license suspended?
He just explained that to you because
Why?
your insurance issue.
Wait, why is my license suspended?
She's talking to you.
Why is my license suspended?
Your insurance issue that you're going to court for.
I have an I have.
I know,
insurance.
but
I
they
can show you right
I
now.
know
valid
you
insurance.
gotta go to your court today.
But I can show you my.
It don't
valid-
It
matter.
doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
It in the system. It is suspended.
I can literally show you a
That's-
valid insurance
That's
right
that's
now.
not how that works.
What do you mean?
You have to go to court and get your license reinstated.
How's my license? I'm confused. Why? First
What,
of all,
what do you don't understand?
I'm not even driving. That's the thing.
You are.
I'm not driving.
You
My
told
car
us.
is
You
parked.
told us. You told us what you told us. You came from Miami
You went to
Okay.
Goldfinger.
to go to.
Okay, but my
Pimble.
car is parked right now. Y'all came to bother me while my car is parked.
To check on
To
your
check on
well-being.
your well-being.
And my well-being is fine. So why are y'all still trying to press me about being parked in the gas
We're not
station?
pressing you. We telling you.
Y'all
can't
literally
drive.
pressing me.
We telling you can't drive.
How? I don't get how I can't drive and I'm literally sitting right here and my car is being filled
Can,
up
some,
with
can
gas.
somebody come get you?
For what?
You can't drive
I
the
can show you.
car.
Okay, these are your options. You get a ride to go home, or there's alternatives.
Here's my insurance right here.
The
But that's
insurance part-
that's beyond us.
That's-
You have
that's-
to go to court to fix your license.
But there's nothing wrong with my license.
I just told you.
It's suspended.
Show me where it's suspended. There's no way my
There's
license.
nowhere to show you
Exactly. So how is my license suspended?
because we are telling you, police telling you your license is no good. You cannot drive. I don't know how to make it any more fucking clearer.
I don't know why y'all even came up to me in the first place. I wasn't doing anything wrong. Why am I being pressed in my parking space at the gas station?
Because this is not a parking spot.
Did you know your license was
If I'm-
suspended?
My license
Did you
is
know
not
it was
suspended.
suspended?
It's not suspended.
Well, you didn't know?
It's not suspended.
You didn't know your license was suspended?
It's not suspended.
I'm telling you it is.
Can you
Because-
show me where it's suspended at?
Okay, here's the options. Here's the options. You order an Uber, we park your car, or you go to jail. Pick
Why-
your options.
I'm saying, why can't you just show me it's suspended? How's it
Because
suspended?
we can't.
Why?
It's confidential,
It's confidential
information.
information.
Okay.
We cannot share our computers
Can I
with
get
you.
your badge number, please?
3813. I am saving
badge
you
number?
3855.
from going to jail.
What's your badge number?
Do you understand what's happening?
What's your badge number?
It's 3846. Do you know what's happening?
Can you
I'm
please-
literally trying to help you.
I understand.
Because
that.
you've been drinking. I can tell you've been drinking. I don't
You
want to
feel
take
like
you to jail.
What do I need to go to jail for, though?
You are like intoxicated for something. For something.
You
And I don't
assume.
care what
That's
it
an
is.
assumption.
I just need you to get someone right now
Yeah, order a ride home.
and order someone. Order an Uber. I don't give a but by the time I come back, if you haven't figured it out, something's gonna happen, okay? So figure it
What
out.
though?
Listen. We trying to help you, save you. Order a Uber and go
I don't understand
home.
why y'all Why y'all killing me in the first place?
It is not normal.
You supposed to. You
Listen,
supposed
it's
to
not. Listen,
go in the system to
it's not.
fuck with us.
It's not. It's
fuck
not
with
normal.
the crackers.
It's
What is
not.
wrong
It's
with
not
you?
normal for you to sit at a gas station for over an hour.
I'm literally putting gas in my
Listen.
tank. My birthday is literally today. I'm on Instagram saying thank you to everybody. Literally, there's no issue with that.
Listen.
Why can't I say thank you to people for telling me my birthday?
Listen. Order an Uber.
Literally, I'm telling everybody thank you
Order.
for telling me happy
Why
birthday.
you keep going on
There's-
about that? Listen.
But I'm telling
order
you
an
what,
Uber
why
so
I'm
you can
sitting
go
here.
home.
But I'm
All right.
sitting here telling everybody
Stay right here.
thank you.
Stay right here.
I don't understand. Why can't I sit in my car? Is it illegal to sit here?
5.
Her
Just
butt.
order an Uber. Park your car. Order
Okay,
an
I
Uber
can
to
tell
go
you.
home.
I can tell you.
You don't have Uber? You don't have money to order the
I
Uber?
can tell you when I ordered it.
When you order what?
How you gonna tell me like how long I can sit at a pump? Like that's weird. That's so weird. I never knew it was something wrong with pumping my gas and sitting at the pump. What is wrong with that? I don't understand.
Again, you are trying to stop me
Oh, I
from
just
going
gave
to
him. I
jail.
just gave him cash. You can
All right.
ask him what time
Listen,
I gave him cash.
No, we don't need that. Get an Uber and go home.
For what?
All right, don't worry about it. Just stay
Y'all
right,
can
stay
literally
right here.
follow
Stay
me
right here.
home. It's not that deep.
Stay right here. Stay, sit down, sit down, sit
Oh, wait,
down.
I'ma just
Sit
put-
down. No, sit down, sit down. Sit
what?
down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit back down in the car.
You got her 43?
They ran her tag. She wouldn't give us the ID in the phone.
This is my car.
Sit down before I push you back down in the
I'm
car.
gonna-
Sit down.
Why am I not able to drive it? Why is there so many cops? I don't get it.
We already tried to give you an out. Told you to get an Uber.
All right, so you need me to park my car right there?
We've been explaining that to
I
you
don't
this
get
whole
why I'm
time.
doing
Park
that.
your car,
All I'm
order an
doing is-
Uber, go home.
All I'm doing is putting gas in my car. I don't get what the issue is. I don't get what the issue is. They literally
You're
came
intoxicated.
to me.
That's the issue. You're
I'm not
intoxicated,
intoxicated.
and your license is suspended. You cannot drive.
My license is not suspended.
So your license is suspended.
Why?
Failure to pay traffic fines. So you ever
But
receive?
do you not see the court date, which is on my birthday?
Yeah, bro. Wait, what? No.
The court date has been assigned. I set a court date for those same tickets on my birthday.
The only thing we can do is go by this. So
Okay, I can literally show
I get
you.
what you trying to show me. But we can only go by what's in our system. Our system is showing that it's suspended.
Okay, and I understand why it's suspended, but I have a court date literally tomorrow morning on my birthday.
But your license gets suspended regardless.
And you can't drive.
So
I wasn't informed that my license was suspended. How could my license be suspended if I set a court date? I don't get that.
yeah, I don't know. You gotta ask the DMV. That's between you asking me questions I don't have answers to. Where do you live?
I live in Pines.
You have somebody who can get you or you can take you.
No, but why can't y'all just follow me home? I don't get it.
Because you live in Prison Park. That's way too far. So listen, instead of we doing you a favor, instead of you getting a ticket for this and then possibly getting DUI and all the other stuff, we give you the option to literally you'll park your car and you just take an Uber home for the night. Alright? I'd rather you do that than that you celebrate your birthday. When's your birthday?
Literally today.
Alright, so I don't
And
want
that,
you to-
but all right. Let's be
I don't want
something.
you to
Can you
I
just
don't want
listen
you
to
to
me, please?
celebrate your birthday in jail.
I don't want to either.
So we're doing you a huge favor. Alright?
That to you all night.
All right, but can you listen to me though?
Listen, man.
This is the reason why I was sitting in the car. I can literally show you timestamps of me telling people thank you for telling me happy birthday. I just posted a post on Instagram, and I'm sitting in my back seat while my tank is feeling okay. It finished, but is it illegal for me to sit in my back seat while I'm telling people thank you?
That is not illegal.
That's not illegal.
But listen, for whatever reason they came over here, and I can smell. Listen, I can smell the alcohol from you standing right here from where you are.
Okay.
So we're trying to do you a huge favor.
Okay.
It's my last option. My last time giving you this is either you get an Uber, or if you try to get inside the car, you go to jail for DUI. So it's one of the two.
That's crazy. I'm not even drunk.
So you get an Uber, right? So you can go home on your birthday, correct?
That's crazy. All right.
Right.
So I have to park my car right here.
He'll park your car there. All right.
Okay.
Start working on the Uber. Where your
That's
keys at?
crazy. Right here.
All right, give me the keys. You gonna park your car here, and then work on the Uber.
That's crazy.
I give you this when your Uber gets here.
I can't believe y'all came to bother me about that.
Where you coming from?
It don't even matter, bro. Can you call me Uber? Like, y'all making me spend money on my birthday. Like, that's crazy.
Either that or you go to jail. Which one?
Go to jail for what?
DUI if you trying to drive away.
Why is it a DUI? I'm not doing it.
So you want to go that route? Do you want to take the test? You trying to drive away, correct?
No.
If you want to go that route, we can.
I'm not trying to drive away.
All right,
go
so
ahead,
order the
your
Uber.
Why can't I just sit here? Why can't I
Go
just
to
sit
party
here?
for
Can I just stay here? I'm not going anywhere. So I'm staying here for the night. So what are we gonna do about
So
this?
then get them the keys.
Yeah, get them the keys up there.
You got the keys.
You can't. I'm not giving you the keys so you can go
I'm
get in the
saying
car.
you have the keys, so give me the keys.
And what you gonna do?
I'm gonna stay here
Why won't you order an Uber and go home?
because. Are you gonna order me an Uber?
No.
Okay then.
Can you stay with her real quick?
Do you think the argument went on for too long? Or did officers handle it the right way? How would you have handled this situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.